Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing the character sketch of the Tortoise from chapter 10. We'll explore his personality, actions, and role in the story. So, let's get started. Tortoise is a clever and cunning character who uses trickery to avoid paying his debt to Monkey. He is calm and patient, carefully observing Monkey's frustration while hiding to escape confrontation. Tortoise's resourcefulness is evident when he conceals himself upside down in the place where his wife keeps the grinding stone, fooling Monkey into thinking he is absent. He is deceptive and unrepentant, even lying to his wife about the reason for Monkey's visits. Tortoise never repays the debt, showing a playful yet dishonest nature that drives the story. Thank you for watching my video. I hope so you have understand this lecture.